Um, I did mention a while ago with another interview na hindi naman siya nasusurprise, pero hindi rin naman sa ine-expect ko siya. It's more of, again, yung pinaka-main focus ko with the team is just every single game, every single day that we have is just, we try to do our best, try to give it our all, and the results will just speak for itself. So, just very quite happy na yun nga, yung nangyayari. I'm very happy na daming situation na yun na nauna kami ng kalaban with the one, tapos mali-reverse namin. I'm very happy na ayun nga, Ben is waiting for us to complete the first round. We're quite excited with that rematch kasi last season yung second round namin sa kanila, it was really one-sided. So I think the players want, redemption to for that. Ayun nga, it's more of testing the waters pa rin yun nga, how we stand sa league pa rin. So we're just taking it in one series at a time. But yeah, very, very happy na nandito kami.
So you mentioned already your next two matches because on Sunday it's AP Bread, then the following Friday Liquid. So those are two tough matches ahead. So will these two matches will be the real case if you are contenders or pretenders?
Well, we could say that, pero again, there's an upcoming patch. Anything can happen. Pero it might give us a preview. We really can't say. Pero again, these teams are at the top for a reason. They might flop at some point in the regular season, pero we know pagdating sa playoffs, they deliver it. And it's something yet to be seen sa amin, right? So, kaya nga, as much as we can, we just try to take it single series at a time. If it comes to that, hopefully nga pag playoffs, mas mag-evolve pa kami. Kaya nga, to answer yung question naman, hopefully hindi pa ito yung pick namin. Hopefully tumaas na.